lovely souls. I would like to invite you to join me in this journey through my class called Elevation. The aim of this class is to recognize negative things that happen in our life and tend to drag us down emotionally and spiritually. Such things could be stress, anxiety, worries, fears. I'd like to give you some tips and some suggestions on how to turn those things around into something beautiful and meaningful. Together, we will invite small changes every day just to make our lives a little bit better. Changes such as meditation, body movement, which is dancing or yoga, journaling. Hopefully, through this class, you will learn to love yourself, heal, accept yourself, and become a better version of yourself. Now, let's drop in web.
You know when you wake up and you feel completely hopeless, like you step inside a great big void, where everything around you makes no sense? You know when that one negative day becomes a numbing cycle of endless days? Looking at our phone first thing in the morning, unhealthy eating, toxic relationships, our ego, stress and worry all keep us in a state of suffering. I soon realized I had to make a change. I had to find the true power within me. Through many practices now, the first thing I like to do in the morning is check in with myself and my breath. It is important to relax and let go of things that weigh us down, finding ways to energize our bodies through any form of physical movement. I like to remind myself of reasons to be in love with life, setting my intentions for the day and filling myself up with a sense of purpose. Mindfully choosing healthy meals and a healthy environment is one of the most important things. We all need to try a little bit harder on difficult days and remember that our higher self is waiting. There is a way towards elevation.